How to turn off your active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off your active on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off your active status on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, just come to the profile page. Then you want to tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then just go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find an option called privacy, where you just want to make sure to tap on it. Once you go to the option called privacy, you're going to land on this option here, and then where you just need to scroll and then look for the option called activated status. So then just tap on it. Now when you go to activated status, if you want to turn off your active status, you can just turn both of these toggles off here after reading them carefully, and once you've done that, your active status will be successfully turned off. And this way you can turn off your active on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.